Today we are going to talk about Smart City Mission. The 100 Smart City Mission in India was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 25th June 2015. Smart City Mission is an urban renewal and the retrofitting program launched by the Government of India to develop smart cities and make them citizen-friendly and sustainable. Let us talk about Smart City Mission in India. Vision: with an increase in urban population and rapid expansion of areas, the government is looking at smarter ways to manage complexities, increase efficiencies, and improve quality of life. This has created a need for cities that monitor and integrate infrastructure to better optimize resources and maximize services to citizens. Objective: the objective of the Smart City Mission initiative is to promote sustainable and inclusive cities that provide core infrastructure to give a decent quality of life and a clean and sustainable environment through the application of some smart solutions such as data-driven traffic management, intelligent lighting systems, etc. The mission will cover 100 cities that have been distributed among the state's union territories, UT, on the basis of equitable criteria. The formula gives equal weightage, 50-50, to the urban population of the state UT. Strategy: components of area-based development in the 100 Smart City Mission in India comprise city improvement, retrofitting, city renewal, development, and city extension, greenfield development, along with the PAN-City initiative. Area-based development that will transform existing areas, including slums, into better planned residential areas by retrofitting and redevelopment, thereby improving the habitability of the whole city. Greenfield Mission that will develop new areas in the city to accommodate the expanding population in urban areas. PAN-City developed envisaging the application of smart solutions to the existing citywide infrastructure. Budget allocation: under Union Budget 2021-22, the Smart City Mission in India has been allocated 6,450 crore rupees, $868 million as compared to 3,400 crore rupees, $457 million in FY21. Revised estimates. Status update: the total allocated investments for the Smart City Mission stood at 205,018 crore rupees, $27.60 billion as of March 2021. Convergence with other government schemes: there is a strong similarity between the Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, Amrit, and Smart City Mission in achieving urban transformation. While Amrit follows a project-based approach, the Smart City Mission follows an area-based strategy. At the planning stage, cities must seek convergence in the Smart City Proposal (SCP) with Amrit, Swachh Bharat Mission (SBM), National Heritage City Development and Augmentation Yojana, Hriday Digital India, Skill Development, Housing for All, construction of museums funded by the Culture Department, and other programs about social infrastructure such as health, education, and culture. Countries supporting India's Smart Cities Mission. Leading economies worldwide have shown interest in India's Smart City Mission and are looking forward to participating in the development of Smart City Mission. These include Spain, the US, Germany, Japan, France, Singapore, and Sweden. Spain has proposed to cooperate with India to develop Delhi into smart cities. The Barcelona Regional Agency of Spain has shown an interest in exchanging technology with India. The United States Trade and Development Agency has decided to develop Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, and Ajmer, Rajasthan, as smart cities. Germany has inked a deal with India to develop Bhubaneswar, Odisha, Kochi, Kerala, and Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, as smart cities. Japan has decided to assist India with the development of Chennai, Ahmedabad, and Varanasi as smart cities. Top smart cities in India. Chandigarh, India's first planned city, can be considered a smart city for its planned infrastructural elements. Indore is often celebrated as India's first smart city with a smart addressing system. In 2017, Ahmedabad was designated as the country's first UNESCO World Heritage City. The city serves as one of India's most significant commercial and industrial centers. Amritsar has evolved into a smart city in recent years with a focus on enhancing its infrastructure and services. The city is equipped with a cutting-edge command center, CCTV cameras, and a sophisticated traffic management system. The emphasis on technology and creativity in Coimbatore is one of the factors that makes it so unique. The city is home to numerous research and development centers in addition to having a very robust IT sector. In addition to being one of India's most developed cities and the nation's financial hub, Mumbai also has a large international population that both lives there and travels there frequently. And here is the conclusion. Every city must invest in its young people, its industries, its infrastructure, and its educational system to complete the smart city mission dream of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Thank you for watching this video. Visit MBA GD Topics for more. Let us know about your thoughts in the comment section and also like, share and subscribe the channel for more.